Hello, welcome to another week of Stat 510. In particular, this is week number 9. So let's have a look at that section of the website. So again, these intro videos probably getting pretty repetitive, but I'm just going to go through the week very quickly. So far in the class, all of the statistical inference we've done is for the most part non-parametric. I think by chance we've seen a few parametric estimators just so that we could sort of evaluate properties of them, like are they consistent, is it biased, things like that. But any development of estimators has all been done non-parametrically. So this week we're going to shift to the approach that's more traditionally shown first, which is parametric estimation. So basically, long story short, what we've done so far is we've made almost no assumptions about the underlying distribution. And we've sought to estimate that distribution function, and we've done so non-parametrically. So what we're going to do this week is, rather than making no assumptions, we're actually going to make some very strong assumptions. In particular, everything about the distribution except for some parameters, and then we reduce the problem to estimating those parameters. We'll do it in two ways. One is method of moments. One is maximum likelihood. Maximum likelihood being one of, if not the most important concepts in statistics. So we're going to sort of spend a couple weeks on very related material. So this week is all about obtaining these estimators, and then next week will be about their various properties. So as always, there's some reading, video, homework, office hours, and one extra bit of reading here for those that are interested. This is an interesting little paper from some emeritus faculty in the Illinois Department of Statistics. That is Professor Portnoy. I unfortunately never had a class with Professor Portnoy, but he was always around during seminars during my time as a grad student, and he gave a seminar, I think, actually this is after I was a grad student, but when I was faculty, about this paper, which I found rather interesting. This has a lot to do with moments, which is something that we're going to talk about this week, but it's kind of an interesting application of them. And I think it's a good example of the kind of questions that a statistical researcher would ask. And I think this is a good demonstration of, the tools that we're talking about in this class are exactly the tools that those researchers are using. And this is one of the best researchers I know, and one of the most directly applicable papers that I could think of for these topics. So I thought it was good. So have a read. And when I mean read the abstract, skim the paper. I don't expect you guys to know everything from this paper, but I think it's interesting to see the concepts from class in this more research-oriented setting. Okay, so I've said too much. You know what to do. So as always, if you made it to the end of the video, good job, and I will see you in the next one.